Pagdula sa Lapok, Phase 2, focused on planting additional 500 mangrove seedlings, particularly the Bakawan babae species, to bolster the existing mangrove population. Planting an additional 500 mangrove seedlings has significantly strengthened Sitio Lapacon's coastal defenses, making the area more resilient to future storms and typhoons. This initiative has also created new habitats for marine species, contributing to the area's biodiversity and supporting the livelihoods of local fishers. The Mangrove Restoration and Conservation Initiative in Sitio Lapacon is more than just an environmental initiative. It is a testament to the community's resilience and unity in the face of adversity. This pinaka-importanting ginbuhaton will undoubtedly leave a lasting legacy for the environment and future generation. Pagdula sa Lapok, Phase 2.